Okay, we're at Rua de Guimara. This station right here is on the monorail. So this is actually a walkway that goes. I'm going to tell you all about it, and I'm going to walk behind me in a minute. So so stay tuned, and I'll show you. We're kind of by this really cool blue building, by the way, which I've filmed a few times, and it's just amazing. Okay, we'll come back and I'll tell you all about it in a minute. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, just a little references. That's Galaxy Casino. That's a Cotai strip. It's all over that way. This is a little rotary. There's a park that was in here that's completely under construction, and I think they're putting in trees all up and down here. Oh yeah, some of those are new. They just popped in there. That wasn't there not even a week ago. So now they just put in these new trees already. It's fast. But yeah, that one is all in construction in there, and I don't know what that's all going to be about. Oh, maybe these ones were not, so maybe these are still maybe the same. And then this kind of cool blue building. Just amazing, like look at all those little tiny things like all the way up, right? So yeah, last time I was in Guimara, which was just a week ago, there was construction everywhere, but this part looked like it was getting cleaned up. So basically when you come out of the monorail or the light rail, you could walk down this. So this is all quite new. It wasn't like that even not too long ago. It's a Korean massage place, all kinds of stuff. Korean hair salon place. Let's kind of take a look at some of this cool stuff as you look up. Yeah, it looks interesting, right? So we're gonna keep on looking, going down, checking everything out. Grilled fish right there. We're just gonna walk. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. We'll just kind of take a look at this real quick. Yeah, that blue building is always interesting to look at. So we're gonna head this way, briefly. We're gonna keep going down Guimara, just kind of see what we can see over here. I kind of want to see how much construction is still going, because I think that the last I was here, there's construction all the way down the street except for the spot that we're at right now. This still isn't ready yet. But it looks like the construction for the cars there wasn't 4 lanes like this even a few days ago. So this was just like a big jagged mess very recently. So this is quite a sudden change actually. Gonna go around the station. So yeah, I guess this is actually good, because then you can get up to that station easily. So anywhere around here you can just kind of jump up there. So that's good actually. Got a McDonald's to the left here. Yeah, actually pretty big McDonald's. Yeah, okay, this actually better stay on this side. Yeah, actually all this stuff is open now. That's all under construction. Like basically like there's 4 lanes that are open now. So before that wasn't like that at all. So I think what I'm gonna do is just go a little bit further, and then I'm gonna go into the middle. I'm not gonna film the whole street today, but I am gonna come down here. I'll just come right here. We'll just see. Okay, there's still lots of construction down there. So it looks like there's still construction here, but the 4 lanes is open, maybe all the way down now. Well, let's find out. Oops. So yeah, those 2 lanes are open, and these 2 lanes are open too. So look, sneak across. So now it looks like there's still lots of construction. So there's still, I think that'll be open later. Then there's still under construction as well. So it's kind of hit and miss with some of it. So there's still construction here, but now this side is basically ready. So that's Guimara. It's a little taste of it again. So for those that have seen it before a little bit, it's another taste of it again. Chiquinha, chiquinha.